Imagine this, it's a nail-biting cricket final. Your team needs 6 runs of the last ball. The bowler delivers. You swing hard. And that's a 6. That's one shot wins the game. That's the magic moment. And that, my friend, is exactly how the call option works. Giving you a chance to score big when the market moves in your favor. Today I'll show you how the call option offers unlimited upside with a limited risk. Let's dive in. A call option is like a golden ticket in the option trading. It gives you the right but not the obligation to buy a stock at a specific price within a specific time frame. Let's simplify that with a real world example. Let's take scenario first. So let's assume that Reliance is currently trading at 2000 rupees. You want the right to buy it at 2000 at any time within the next 30 days. Now let's say if the stock jumps to 2200, boom. You exercise your call, buy it at 2000 and sell it at 2200. That's a 200 rupees share profit, just like hitting a 6 when it matters the most. Let's take scenario 2. What if Reliance dropped to 1800 instead? You don't have to buy it at 2000. Your loss is only the premium you paid for the call. This is the beauty of call option. Limited downside and unlimited upside. So what is the key takeaway? Buy call when you are bullish on the stock. Let's test your understanding with 5 quick questions. Question number 1. What does a call option give the buyer the right to do? Option A. Sell a stock at a predetermined price. Option B. Buy a stock at a predetermined price. Option C. Hold the stock indefinitely. Or is it D. Borrow the stocks from a broker? The correct answer is option B. Buy a stock at a predetermined price. Question number 2. If you buy Reliance at 2000 call option and Reliance rises to 2200, what happens? A. You can buy Reliance at 2000 and sell it at 2200, making a profit. Or is it B. You are forced to buy Reliance at 2200? Or is it C. You have to pay additional premium? Or is it D. Your loss are unlimited? The answer is option A. You can buy Reliance at 2000 and sell it at 2200, making a profit. Question number 3. What is the maximum risk when buying a call option? A. The entire stock price. B. Unlimited losses. C. The premium paid for the option. Or is it D. The difference between the strike price and the market price? You guessed it correctly. It's answer C. The premium paid for the option. Question number 4. What is the key takeaway? A. Buy call option when your view is bullish. B. Buy call option when your view is bearish. The answer is option A. Buy call option when your view is bullish. And last but not least, question number 5. If you buy a call option for rupees 50 and the stock rises above the break-even point, what happens? A. You make a profit. B. You lose money. Or is it C. The option expires worthless? Or is it D. You have to sell the option at a loss? The answer is A. You make a profit. Drop your quiz score in the comments. I'll personally check them and give you the feedback to help you grow as a trader. If this video helped you to understand the call options better, share it with someone who needs it. In the next video, we will explore the put options, how they work and when to use them. Until then, keep learning, keep winning.